What is up, guys? This is the motherfucking queen. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kia Shanti, and I am back, and I am better than ever. So in this video, I just want to do like a spend the night with me. I'm cooking dinner, I'm baking cookies, I'm doing all of that. I'm doing that wifey shit. So yeah, I know you see my liquor bottles in the back. Don't judge, because I'm gonna be sipping in this video anyway because I just got me a bottle. Let me go grab it real quick. You know. If you know me, you know. If you know, you know. I'm ready, ho. So I have an agenda that I want to kind of check off throughout this video just to make sure that I'm doing everything. Also, if you hear a baby in the background, yes, I have 2 babies. So I'm gonna kind of try to make this video more oriented towards moms, because I know it's a lot of moms out there that need inspiration, and I'm one of them. So all moms are welcome. You know, I got kids, I got 2 of them. That's why I'm filming this video, because everything is content, and I'm just cooking for me, my man, and my kids, and I can film it. So yeah, if you're wondering what I am cooking in today's video, I'm gonna be whipping up this chicken right here. So my boyfriend went to the store yesterday and he got some groceries or whatever, so he wants me to cook these. So I'm gonna attempt to do some barbecue chicken. I don't know, I'm feeling spontaneous. So I'm just gonna go ahead, cook this. I'm gonna show you it step by step of how I make it, because this is gonna be a cooking with me video. So I'm super excited about that. I just got a new tripod and a new ring light, so the content is coming, it's coming, and when it ain't stopping either. A little bit. I'm gonna use this container right here. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm about to run and get some gloves. I'm not touching the raw chicken, I just can't. Okay, so I got gloves. You already know, whenever you go to the hospital, grab you a box of gloves, because they got plenty more. I'm gonna put these on before I touch this chicken. Also, always rinse your chicken off. Don't do that. Rinse your chicken off, and don't be extra. Don't pull out the fucking Dawn soap or the freaking laundry detergent or dishwashing liquid to rinse your chicken off. That's just a little much. I rinsed off all my chicken. I did end up washing some of them dishes because it's not bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken. So I'm about to switch this angle up a little bit now that I got a tripod. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so I switched the angle a little bit just so that I can get into the cabinet, so that I can see what seasonings we're gonna be doing. I have my chicken right here. First thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of oil. I got some vegetable oil right here, and I'm just gonna pour just a little bit on it just so that my seasonings can stick. I really do not know how to season food for real. I just be grabbing the seasonings that really speak to me, and then hope and pray that it comes out good. Normally it does, so I haven't doubted myself in a little second. So next I have some mustard. I don't know where I seen it at. I seen it on TikTok or something, but somebody always said to put a little bit of mustard in it. So I'm gonna just take a spoon of mustard and put it in my chicken. The thing I'm gonna start off with is some garlic powder. And I'm gonna be a little heavy with the garlic powder because I love some garlic. Poultry seasoning, some onion powder, some Cajun seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning ever. Like, if you ever ate at Cookout and tried their fries, it's like the exact seasoning they put on their fries. Some paprika in there. And I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning. I don't know what it is. Don't knock it till you try it, but Italian seasoning on your chicken is crazy. Then next I'm gonna add some pepper. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put some gloves on, jiggle it around in my hands, and then I'm gonna put the top on and I'm gonna shake it. I got some white rice from some Chinese food that my boyfriend had bought me yesterday. So honestly, I think he gonna come in and cook a vegetable, but If he don't, I tend to eat my chicken with the leftover white rice that we got left from that. The barbecue sauce that I'm using is the Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue. So this is what it's looking like. I'm about to use a spoon and spray that out some, just so that it's not all in one spot. Like I actually get barbecue sauce on all of it. So now the chicken is in the oven, it's cooking. It's about to be smelling real delicious in here in a second.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, my boyfriend said he finna roll up. We finna, you know, pop the bottle. We finna do all of that. I see y'all when I see you.
Bro, how do y'all get out?
Now you got that. Now you can switch those.
How do I squat now?
You just walk up to press A, yeah. I guess you gotta go in there. Then you gotta back up to the camera with that motherfucker and press A.
They just stop and coming on.
Yeah, restart it. She said, I didn't even look at that shit.
That's how I play this way.
When you go follow the cord the other way, it might need to switch. Wherever the switch is, hit the switch, then go back to that. I feel that.
So this is how the chicken came out. It looks so scrumdiddly-umptious. So I haven't really ate anything all day, and I'm a little dehydrated, I feel like, because I'm starting to get dizzy. So I'm gonna just try the chicken right now. So I'm gonna put the rice in the microwave so that I'm trying to take the little wire thing off, but I can't get it. I'm gonna try a little tiny piece of it. That's good. Alright, so I'm back in the kitchen now, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and wash this pan and put my cookies on it, and then put the cookies in there because the chicken done. And I'm gonna show you my plate and everything when I make it. But yeah, I'm gonna start my cookies because I'm going to sleep real soon because I'm tired now. That's normally how my afternoon go. I get a little bit of excitement, a little something just to keep me going, and then it's bedtime from there. I might watch Food Network channel for a little bit because I love me some Food Network channel. Or I've been liking Tubi lately also, so we might watch a Tubi movie. I'm about to change this battery because I forgot I said it died in there. Some cookies. The key to some good cookies is do not cook them all the way. Like, once you cook them all the way, they get hard and nasty. I mean, they still good, but they just crunchy. But like, if you don't cook it all the way and let it set and cool like that, then they be so good. Ooh, I can't wait to eat these cookies. I can't wait to eat this chicken. Yeah, I like food, and I'm going on a weight loss journey soon, so I need to eat what I can now. No, I don't need that mindset because I'm gonna just make my goal a little harder. But I ain't gonna cap. When it comes to chicken, wings, drumsticks, thighs, leg quarters, I ain't down with the whole chicken feet thing. I don't know. I'm okay with chicken gizzards, but still not my number one. What other part of chicken? I'm trying to name off the parts of chicken, and you come around the corner at the perfect time because you work at a chicken place. So I said leg quarters, wings, drums, flies.
Flies?
I never said
That ain't a part of chicken, that's a whole nother species.
So this is what my little plate look like. I got the rice and the chicken.
Bruh, when I tell you this chicken was bussery, look at them chicken bones. Look at them chicken bones.
Bye.